The music you listen to greatly affects your life. Now, you may not realize this, but honestly, look at the artists that you listen to. Look at the words that they say. Listen to the ambience, the frequencies that they produce, because those clearly affect your life. Now, it may not be a direct, right away effectiveness, like if I fall and I break my leg, like that's going to be direct. But it's not going to be like that, but gradually over time, it will build up and there will be a direct impact. Now, let me give you one example that I've seen in my life. Like, I used to listen to The Weeknd. I don't listen to The Weeknd no more. Like, I am Canadian, but I don't listen to The Weeknd. I just don't mess with that type of music. I listen to the one song called After Hours. It's on the After Hours album. It's called After Hours. And then in the song, he says, "Where are you now when I need you most?" And a bunch of this like sad stuff implicating that a female has left his life. And I guess to me, it didn't seem like that big of an issue. I was like, "Where are you now?" And I would sing the song. But then gradually over time, I became in a relationship, and then I was living the exact same scenario he was saying. Now, this may seem like it just came from naturally, that I was just in that scenario based on my own path, but I also listened to other songs that actually manifested in my life too. Another one was J. Cole. There's a song off his one album. It's off the Sideline Story. Now, it's called Lights Please, that song. That manifested in my life as well. And I guess I really watch what I listen to nowadays. Once those two things happened to me and I realized that they actually have an impact on who I am and what experiences come into my reality field, I saw this manifestation shit was real. I saw that what I thought really came into my reality. I started watching what I thought, and I started watching to what I listened to, who I listened to, and what they say. And then once I realized that they were saying the negative stuff that was coming into my life, it started to make sense. It starts to make sense. It makes sense that what you listen to is what you become. Who your friends are is what you will be. Show me your friends and I'll show you your future. Now, it's not just words. It actually makes sense. If you take the theory that we live in a holographic universe and our thoughts are projected out into reality, it makes sense. It all makes sense. So listen to me. Let me run that back one more time. The music you listen to, it's frequencies. Now, it may just be frequencies, but the words actually mean something, and the words that go into your head and that you say and that you scream when you drive on the highway at 1 a.m. will come into fruition. And that's because our brain processes frequencies, and the frequencies that we want, our brain thinks that whatever we think and whatever we say is what we want. That's why we become our thoughts. That's why you got to watch what you say, what you think about, and what you listen to. That's why music makes an impact on your life. That's why you got to watch what kind of music you're listening to. If you're just gonna listen to Lil Baby, you're just gonna listen to "I want money, I want bitches, I want hoes, I want cars," well, you're going to get more opportunity to do that. Doesn't mean you're going to instantaneously become famous, rich, and successful, but it means that life will hand you those opportunities to do that. Now, that's not a good site to go listen to Lil Baby, because Lil Baby also says some trash stuff. He says a lot of stuff that I do not agree with, and I wouldn't preach for anyone to go listen to Lil Baby in any sense. But I'm just saying, that's what you're going to get. Now, if you listen to X all day, XXXTentacion, if you listen to him and you listen to his 17 album all day, where he just talks about how I'm sad, I hate my life, and I want it all to be over, well, guess what kind of stuff you're going to be thinking about? Guess what kind of opportunities are going to come into your life? Guess what kind of people are going to be around you? Those kind of people. So if that's what you want, you got that right there. Whatever you think about is the type of experiences that you will get, the type of people and the type of experiences that come into your life and the opportunities that you get. Now, that might seem all fine and dandy, but once you realize that your music actually plays a role in your life, you gotta switch it up. You gotta be conscious of the fact that your thoughts actually matter and impact and change your reality field. So watch what music you listen to, and that's what's up. Take care. Bye. Love you.